Hey guys, I just wanted to bring you a sale on some items at Kroger, along with a really delicious recipe for your slow cooker. So stay tuned, and I hope you find this interesting. I tried a recipe for the Mississippi pork chops from Catherine's Plates here on YouTube, and let me tell you, her recipes are delicious, and this one is a go-to for my family at least once a week, so I wanted to share. You're going to want to go ahead and grab these pork chops. You get 10 of them for $10 at Kroger. You'll need a jar of pepperoncinis. These currently are on sale for $1.79 at Kroger right now. You're also going to need a packet of brown gravy mix. And you'll need a packet of Kroger Ranch Dip Mix, or any brand, it doesn't really matter. This is just cheapest. You are also going to need salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and a stick of butter, and around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I let my pork chops get to room temperature. I left it out for about an hour or two, and then I went ahead and seasoned them with the salt, pepper, smoked paprika, garlic, and onion powder. I went ahead and seasoned both sides, and I got my pan ready. I put it on medium to medium high heat, and I added a tablespoon and a half about of olive oil and got it started. Guys, we're going to want to sear it on both sides for around 2 to 3 minutes. I leave the fat on mine for the flavor it adds to it. So I might have over-seared them. Fingers crossed I didn't. Then we add olive oil to the bottom of the crock pot. Toss them babies in. And you're going to need to deglaze your pan with 1 cup of chicken broth. I forgot to film that. I apologize. And then you're going to dump that in your crock pot on top of the meat. Then you're going to sprinkle your ranch mix on top, as well as your gravy mix. And then you're going to slice up 1 stick of butter and put them on top. Then grab your pepperoncinis, and you can put as many of them in as you want and as much juice as you want. So use less juice if you don't want it very spicy. Now close up your crock pot, cook it on high for 4 hours, and it's ready to go. You can serve it over basmati rice, or you can serve it over potatoes or noodles, whatever you like. Thank you very much to Catherine's Plates for this amazing recipe, and I apologize for not taking a picture of the pork chops when they were done. My son's friends were here, and when you have 3 boys, food goes away pretty fast. So thank you guys very much, and I might share some recipes in the future. Bye.